Welcome to Cali Life. Guess where we're at? Take a big guess, guys. Yep. At the beach. The beach is right over there. I'll be going over there right now. I hope everyone's doing well. Stay strong. Protect your peace, guys. Keep those heads up and shine. Thank you to all my subscribers. Much love. And look at the lights over there. Alrighty, let's keep on walking and enjoy this beautiful morning. Can't believe my bro is coming next week. So stoked. Alrighty, guys, let's go. So peaceful.
Are you lost?
No, not at all.
Okay.
You guys too, be safe. You see, there's people late at night at the beach. It's what, 3 o'clock in the morning? Well, we're going for a little walk. Much love, you guys. Protect your peace. Stay strong. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace out. Love you guys. Be safe, y'all. Much love. Bye-bye. Keep those smiles up. Smile. Okay, guys, bye.